Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Kinah with Sweet Gem Life. Today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Posh box from Live.Love.Posh titled Functionally Chic. Y'all, this is heavy and full of the full of. So if you are interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, let's get this opened up. We have cute little paper and a card that says thank you so much for shopping with me. I am truly grateful for all of your support. I hope you love your box and enjoy using everything, Jessica. And then we have a menu card. So if you're new here, I'm going to go in the order of what's on the menu card. So let's go ahead, get this off the desk. Stick this over here. Okay, so the first item on the card is the sticker book. I know people typically will show the sticker book last, at least saving the best for the last, but I'm going to show this today. So it is 30 pages. There are paper and transparent stickers. First of all, you already got me with these months of the year because a lot of sticker books, you know, are completely decorative and then you have to go scrambling to find functional stuff. So this is pretty awesome. So we've got dates of the months of the year: loving, grateful, planning, wanting, celebrating, watching, feeling, reading, thinking, listening, hoping. So that's paper, and then that's clear. That's pretty cool. So we got a paper and then we got a clear sheet. And then the second one says birthday, party, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. So we have holidays here. Anniversary, wedding, meeting, appointment, weekend. And this is paper sheet. And then right behind it is a clear sheet. Y'all, this is awesome. I'm going to have to get a second book of this. Then we have bill due, remember, work, goals, schedule. To buy, don't forget, noted, notes, organize. Order, shopping list, clean, bills, and errands. This is paper. The sheet right behind it is clear. Then we have days of the week. Very important. We have today, important. This is paper. The second one is clear. Y'all, I'm in love with this book. You ain't able to tell me nothing. So then we have more days of the week in the black bar. I'm pretty sure these are 1.5 to fit across the average box size. So we have days of the week: to do, get it done, task, priorities, important, goals, and to buy. Both of these sheets are paper. And then we have some black checklists, because how do you go wrong with black checklists? Then we have some date dots, or date squares I should say. These are paper. We have some smaller ones, we have some larger ones. Actually, these are squares, these are circles. And then we have a sheet of clear date dots. Y'all, these are date squares, excuse me. This is the most functional book I've come across. Then we have clear letters. These are clear paper, and they have the floral design on the letter. And then we have some lace. This is clear. Ooh, y'all, this one here is so pretty. These kind of look like tattoos, don't they? So then we have 2 sheets of that. And then we come to another clear sticker paper with these florals. These florals are familiar. These were in another Live.Love.Posh sticker book. I think they were in blues, but now we have them in black and in clear sticker paper. So then we have the matte white sticker paper, and we have these black outlined florals. 2 pages of those. And then we come to this next page. We have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. These are little squares. This sheet is paper. We have workout. We have vitamins, hydrate, hydrate. So you've got your trackers there. 2 pages of that. And then we come to our boxes. And you've got 2 pages of that. And then we've got some more boxes. Super functional. If you can't find use for this book, baby, I don't know what to tell you. So we've got some more quarter boxes, full boxes, and we've got some checklists, some check boxes. So that's pretty cool. 2 pages of that. Then we have our longer boxes and some more check boxes. 2 pages of that. So guys, this is the Functionally Chic sticker book. Love it. The next item up is the set of Posh Tools in white vegan leather case. This is a 2-piece set and includes gold scissors and tweezers. And you always need tweezers. This is a necessary tool. Y'all, this is so heavy duty. What is that? tape. Okay, so this is a vegan leather case, and it's perfect size for you to travel with. So if you are like me and like to throw stuff in a bag and go plan at Starbucks or wherever you're going to be for that day, this is perfect for you. So here is the set of Posh Tools in the white vegan leather case. The next item is the Chic vegan leather notebook covers. So it's my understanding that these are sized to fit A5 sheets, but they have 8 discs, like a half letter. So that's a little strange. We'll figure it out. It does say A5 size, includes 2 pieces, front and back. So they're very soft, they are pliable, but they feel sturdy. And then you have the Live.Love.Posh symbol back there, logo back there. Very cute. So this is the Chic vegan leather notebook covers. Next up, we have the 24mm matte black plastic discs. This is a set of 8 discs. So, very basic black discs. They are plastic, as I previously stated. So these are the matte plastic discs. In this cute little case. The next item is this huge pack of lined Posh paper. It is 100 sheets. It is A5 sized, and it is disc punched to go into the covers we just saw. So let's get this open. I recently ordered some Live.Love.Posh inserts, the daily inserts and the weekly planning inserts, among some other things, and the paper quality is amazing. And they did not disappoint again. So you just have the lined pages with the lines here on the spine, and there are 100 sheets here. The next item on the list is this Gold Luxe metal washi cutter. Y'all, this is so bourgeois. I love this. Y'all know I will use whatever's on my desk to get this washi cut, okay? And we have the Live.Love.Posh logo down here. Y'all, this is super cute. It's sturdy. You don't have to worry about bending this up unless you are doing the absolute most. So this is the Gold Luxe metal washi cutter. The next item on the list is this pen. Baby, if she's not coming for your coins, I don't know what to tell you. So this is the black Posh Gem Pen. It does come in black ink. I am assuming this is gel because it's set up and built just like a Villa Beautiful pen. This is beautiful, y'all. So this is the black Posh Gem Pen. And the last item on the list is this set of Posh clips, and it just says set of 12 gold teardrop paper clips. Very cute, very chic. Everything in this box is made to go to set up a notebook, and I love it, y'all. So these are the 12 gold teardrop paper clips. So y'all, this is the Live.Love.Posh Functionally Chic box. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share the video, subscribe to my channel if you like, and hit the bell, turn on the notifications so that you're aware of when I post new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.